If you use Calendly every day, changing your password is one of the easiest ways to keep your account secure. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Calendly password step by step. And I'll also point out what to do if your account is connected to Google or Microsoft. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture or profile icon. This is where Calendly keeps your account and login settings. From the menu that appears, select either profile or account settings, depending on what you see in your account. After that, look for the login preferences section. This is the area where you can manage your password and sign-in options. If you normally sign in through Google or Microsoft, Calendly may have your account linked to one of those services. In that case, you'll need to unlink that connection first before you can set a new password directly inside Calendly. So if you see Google or Microsoft connected, click Unlink and follow the prompts. Once that is done, Calendly will let you create a password for your account. Now enter your new password in the password field. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you haven't used before. Then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. When everything looks correct, save the changes. Calendly should update your login preferences right away, and your new password will be active. If you want to test it, you can log out and sign back in using the new password to confirm that everything works properly. A few quick tips. Choose a password that is hard to guess. Avoid using personal information and store it securely in a password manager if possible. If your Calendly account is connected to another login provider, always double check that the unlink step is complete before setting the new password. That can save you from confusion later. And that's it. You've now changed your Calendly password. Simple, fast, and secure. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Calendly tips and tricks.